What is a research project, Bailey?
It's when you like see like an animal or a bug, and you figure out what it does or what it is.
Where did you look?
I looked in books. I looked on the computer.
Okay. So what did you find?
I
What did you learn?
learned that some ants have wings.
Mm-hmm.
And I learned that every year queens lay eggs.
Okay. Anything else you want to say about your research project?
That 3 other people helped me, and it was Alex, D'Angelo, and Adeline.
And your research project was about?
Ants.
Good job, Bailey.
Bye-bye.